guys, you are welcome to my channel. My name is Emmanuel. So you are welcome to this tutorial. So if you are new to my channel, please kindly click on the subscribe button and subscribe to my channel, and also click on the notification bell so that you'll be notified once I drop a new video. So on this tutorial, I want to teach us how to design a professional carrier or paper bag. So kindly follow me. So this is my CorelDRAW interface. So the first thing I need to set our size, because the paper bag we want to design is A3 paper bag. So we set our size to A3, change the unit to inches, then change it to landscape. It is going to be a landscape paper bag. So the next step is to double click on this rectangle tool, change this to 3 inches. So this is the size, the two size. This is the two size, and this is the below size. So now we are going to import our first background. We are click on Ctrl I. So this is our first background. Click on Effect, come to Draw, Special Draw. Direction to right, click inside this. Alright, so this side, click on Ctrl I again for the second background. Convert to bitmap. Click on transparent. Alright, so you can now click this one. Alright, so the next one is to click on our import to import this shape. So this shape, you can trace this shape. Alright, so we have traced this shape. So this one is color. So so the next thing now is to bring business name, business info, and details, business details. Click on to add business info, and place it here, and click this. Delete this one. So the next thing is to add a business name. So the next thing is to import the social media icon. That's usually important. Basically, the next line is to import the address icon. Address icon. Alright, so this address icon. So I can the address. This is alright, so that's so this is the design. So now if this side also this side want to design this the side of rubber if you want to print it. You understand? You want to print it. You want to print it. Jadi saya lain di bawah sangat itu saya harus ini saya harus ini mau beli mau beli nasi saya harus mau dan beli sesuatu mau this what we are using. So I'm trying to arrange the mockup. So this is why we are using for the mockup. Alright, so we are trying to arrange 5 for the mockup. is done. So now you just have to export it. Just have to export it. First one is the front, which is we serve as the front and back. Then we can export it. This one will be this side. This side. Alright, so this is our design. This is the true design. Now we are going to go to our Photoshop. Then you can download this free shopping paperback mockup online. You can see them online. If you need the file, you can comment. You can comment that you need the mockup. I will send the file to you. So now the first thing now is to come here and select this project. Once you select this project, to take it to another. You go to another page. Then you can come to file. Place embedded, then go to where you save your file, then come here and select this front. After that, then click on save. Click on save. Good. So the next one is to click on the side, then come to file, place embedded, then click on the side you design. Click on Ctrl Save. Close this. Close this too. So this is our bag now. This is our bag. We want to change the background. So now we want to save our bag now. So Ctrl Shift X, paper bag. Design. So these are design. These are design. Thank you for watching. Please, if you are new to my channel, please kindly click on subscribe button so that you'll be notified once I drop it. If you have a question, you can drop it on the comment section. Thank you. God bless you. See you next time.